Welcome back, gorgeous mama. Are you wondering how do you get energy on top of everything that you're doing to do something that you know is so necessary for your health? Energy to work out. You have found the right video. Hi, my name is Stephanie Calderon. I'm a wife, a mom to 2 daughters, and a certified essential oil specialist. Stick around to the end of this video because I have something amazing that you're gonna want. Make sure you also like and subscribe so you're updated every time I post a new video. So we all know we need to work out, but we're busy, we're overwhelmed, we're super stressed. Sometimes we don't have any support from anybody else. How do you find the energy to do something that you know you're supposed to do? So I'm going to share some of those tips with you. First of all, I think you just have to create that die-hard determination that this is something that's as vital for me as eating food. So I have to make it a part of my routine. The second thing I think about is how can I make it fun for me? You are never going to see me running on a treadmill voluntarily. That's not how I want to work out. We sometimes get in our mind that unless we're in the gym doing this exercise or that exercise, it doesn't count. And that's simply not true. This is one of my favorite ways that I get energized to do it. I love to hike, to take nature walks, to do it with my family so it's a group activity. Get some of my girlfriends together and we do it together. So it becomes more of like an event, a group activity rather than just exercise. The second thing is I have to set myself up for success. I have to make sure that I'm getting the sleep. I do not apologize anymore that I need to be in bed before 10 p.m. So I structure my life to make that happen. And I know some of you are like, Stephanie, I don't have that freedom. I don't have that luxury. But whatever you can do to make sure that you're getting your proper rest. So I take a hot shower with some breathe in the shower. So I have my own little like mini spa. I get Serenity stick and I put it on my chest. I'm diffusing Serenity in my bedroom. I have my room completely dark with some white noise. So that way I'm setting myself up for success the next day. We all know if we're exhausted, the last thing we want to do is work out. The other thing is I use oils that can help boost my energy. I actually am one of those weirdos. I don't like coffee. And I actually haven't had any caffeine for over 3 years. So I have to get my caffeine or my energy from natural sources. So a drop of peppermint in my hands and I'm breathing it in deeply helps oxidize my cells and give me a natural energy boost. I also love the blend Motivate. Motivate is specifically formulated to give you energy. All the oils in it, the spices and the citrus is combined to give you a really invigorating experience. I also have to habit stack as well. I know that I'm not going to feel energized unless I am fueling my body with proper fuels. I'm getting my protein in, I'm drinking my water. So those things are super important to make sure that you have that energy to work out. But the biggest thing, mama, make a plan. Figure out how can you make it a part of your lifestyle. This is how I do it. Go out in nature, I'm with my family, and I'm tricking myself into basically getting that exercise that I need. So I don't need as much energy versus putting on leggings and like going to the gym like it's drudgery. And if you enjoy that, that's great. Find out what works for you. We know it's important. You are worth it. Get that energy, get that motivation to get out there, move your body. And then that in turn is going to give you more energy to keep moving. And it becomes this cycle of health for yourself. As promised, you can download my kid-safe essential oil list. You're going to find that link in the description and pinned in the comments. You want this, mama. Snag it now. Thanks for watching. Make sure you just subscribe so you are informed every time I post a new video.